For our 2-foot end section, we're going to work with the G1Fs and the G2Fs. They're 2-foot parts. They're the foot rail and the handrail of your bridge. And that's all we're going to add to the end section. We already have our cross bracing in from the last middle section. We're adding our last G6, G3, and G5 upright. So we can connect that to our deck supports here. And this will be the last set of deck supports on this bridge, so you can insert the bolts from the ends and the nut on the inside if you would prefer. So we're going to do the foot rail first. So it's going to go on the bottom just like the other foot rails. Now something we're going to add for this last section is the G8 spacer. You have 2 of these. And the purpose of this is to keep a consistent width of your decking on the way down. So if you look here at the previous section, we have 1 cross brace and we have 2 cross braces meeting at the junction of this bolt. Now if we go to the end, we see there's only 1 cross brace. There isn't one on this side. So we put the G8 in, and that takes up the space of the extra cross brace that's missing. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to run a bolt through G2F. Through the G4. And then through the G3. We'll put the nut on the back. Now the top does not have a G8 because we're not worried about fitting decking in and having it look right there. So we're just going to add our G1FL, put the bolt through the cross brace, through the upright, in here. And that's all we do for the 2-foot end section. So go ahead and do the other side as well. Same handrail, same foot rail. And then we'll seam the sections together, and you'll be done putting the frame together.